Camp Winnie.
I'd just give a shout out to the Lions Club. Now this van behind me is from the Wollongong Lions Club, but you can find these guys all around Australia when you're touring this wonderful country in your motorhome or your caravan. Look, they're very undervalued, very underestimated for what they do for the Driver, Reviver, Survivor program. Just got a yummy cup of tea from them. All their teas and coffees are supplied by bushels, and their biscuits supplied by Arnott's. The paper cups are by the Shell Garage, and all voluntarily. All the workers that work the Lions Club vans do it all on their own time, also voluntarily, to keep you and I safe on the roads from driver fatigue. So when you see those guys in your travels, pull over, run in, say good day, grab a brew, tell them where you're from, where you're going. They love all that stuff. Good on you guys. What do you think of those roofs, Bonnie? Hey? Nature meets nature. Bye-bye. Give us a yell.
You watch, she'll be the one who falls in.
Where's that big fin? Where do you launch this boat?
Now that is what I call fun.
Well, here we are at beautiful Lake Conjola. It's part of the stunning New South Wales South Coast, and where we are is all part of the Shoalhaven region. So we're staying at Lake Conjola Tourist Park for a week, and we're directly opposite a quirky little place called Chinaman's Island. Now, in the 1950s, Chinaman's Island was inhabited by mainly fibro homes, where people happily have been living up until 2019, where unfortunately the devastating bushfires that swept through the south coast destroyed a lot of the homes. Also, sadly, Shoalhaven Council has vowed to pull down the remaining fibro homes that are there at the expense of the owners at 40 grand a property. It got me thinking, if the council wanted to pull your home down and make you pay for it, and it was against your own will, would you fight it? Of course you would. Well, that's exactly what the remaining residents of Chinaman's Island vow to do. There's a petition circulating at the moment, Save Chinaman's Island. How successful they'll be, who knows? Hear it?
Dinner, peoples.
Mm.
Hey!
Hey!
Alright! Yeah!
Crazy, you guys are so... We're going to the RSL.
Because it's day 4 and the rain is
Set in.
relentless. It just will not stop. So,
We're going on a bus.
no barbecues, no open fires on this trip, unfortunately, guys. Yep, and we're a bit over it, so you know what?
Let's go get some burgers and fries.
That's it. Lake Conjola RSL.
That's it.
Courtesy bus.
I was just about to say. We're getting the booze bus. All right. Rob's out there. Let's go. Let's go. You need a raincoat, we better buy you one.
I don't think I'll ever complain about the droughts ever again. Will we, Rob?
No.
There's just nothing you can do. Go in, you prick. Come on.
Great weather for ducks.
Glad you said ducks. Well, it's time we said goodbye for this video, guys. What a washout. We've all agreed we have never seen relentless torrential rain like it. For the record, Sydney's copped history-breaking rainfalls. In this week we've been here at Lake Conjola. You wouldn't believe it. There's it's quite a slosh pit here at the holiday park, and we've been right in the thick of it. We've been homebound, really, or motorhome bound, the whole week.
Any bit of sunshine and we jumped out in it, but for the most part, it's been pretty crappy weather.
Yeah, it has. And look at this, there's just no one around. All the sites are all empty. And there's a couple of die-hard caravanners here, but there's not much happening here, eh?
Park owners will have a bit of a clean-up once everyone's gone too, because there's mud tracks everywhere.
They will. And there's poor kangaroos, they even look wet and cold. So anyway, it's not always about fine weather.
Next destination will be sunny, hopefully.
For sure. All right, guys, take it easy.
See ya.
My co-pilot, the co-driver.